Namaste. Today in this video you will see how I made instant masala bhindi fry. So this bhindi fry you can have with lunch, chapati, and it is very easy to make and very fast. It takes very less time to make this bhindi fry. Now we will see how to make this spicy masala bhindi fry. So first I will put little cumin seeds, raw cumin. Then I am using little mustard seeds. Now I am adding the onion and green chilli. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, then salt, now I am adding the bhindi. First 2-3 minutes saute them. After then you can add the masala. So I am adding little more salt. Salt you have to use as per taste. So just saute for 2-3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, now I am adding 1 spoon this masala. This masala is homemade masala. I am giving the link in description box. You can check this masala, how to make this masala. So 1.5 teaspoon I am using. Then 1 spoon green chilli. And mix them nicely. So now after mixing the masala, you have to cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. So friends, you can see my instant masala bhindi fry is ready.